Here's your winter weather briefing for much of Upper Michigan, recorded Thursday, December 12, 2013. This briefing is valid from this afternoon and tonight through Monday. There are really no major winter weather events expected to impact the Upper Peninsula through Monday. However, with continued cold air moving across Lake Superior, we're expected to see continued intermittent lake effect snow showers. There are a couple of time periods where we're expected to see the lake effect snow increase intensity, and that is as a couple of clipper systems move through. One of those times will be this afternoon through tonight, where we'll see several inches of snowfall across the higher terrain of the far western UP, and then additionally we'll see heavier snowfall fall east of Munising along the Lake Superior shoreline. Additional snowfall is expected to fall Saturday night into Sunday along Lake Superior. As another clipper system moves through, we could see a few more additional inches of snowfall during that time period. The second thing we want to look at here is it looks like a warming trend is expected, and I use warming loosely here as it's just mild increases in temperatures. We'll really see that start to occur toward the last half of the weekend and into early next week. As far as the lake effect snowfall, for later this afternoon through tonight, this image really just depicts what we're looking for as far as the heavier snowfall totals. It looks like the higher terrain to the southwest of Houghton there looks like they could see several inches of snow. And then to the east of Munising, right along the Lake Superior shoreline there, we're really expecting to see some of the heavier snowfall totals. A couple of hazards we might see with the heavier snowfall that occurs especially over the eastern portion of the UP. One of the things we might watch for is blowing snow, as it looks like the winds may be a little gusty, especially closer to the Lake Superior shoreline. And then additionally, if you get into one of the heavier bands of snow, we might experience visibilities dropping in those as well. As far as the warming trend goes this weekend into early next week, the temperature map on the top left corner here is high temperatures for Friday. And you can see most of the UP is still right around the upper single digits there, so still pretty chilly out there. As we move into Saturday, high temperatures across the UP look like they'll warm into the mid to maybe upper teens. And this warming trend actually continues into Monday as well. And it looks like by Monday we may actually see temperatures in the 20s across most of the UP. As far as low temperatures, it looks like the low temperatures are going to still be pretty chilly, with lows probably in the mid-single digits above zero through the weekend. And wind chill values are still going to be really chilly out there as well, with wind chill readings through the weekend dropping to as low as 10 below zero at times, especially inland away from Lake Superior. This concludes the winter weather briefing. If you have any questions or comments, please see the resources below for information to contact us. Thank you.